Lieutenant General Gurbirpal Singh Ulu Balong Director General ke National Cadet Corps NCC hak arpsan terik nailar arhajar arpuar ulasa meka kusnam shik arpu wingut ki dkhot jong ke NCC nakaleng ki jela jong athan stilam mingi halor ke jingla joki bentrishtom hak babon kiliang hagane ke jing sam kusnam ledon lang Major General Bhaskar Kalita ubalong ru Additional Director General but Deputy Director General jong ke NCC North Eastern Region bat kiwei Habai kran beginong pathai kubor ugur Birpal Singh uliatho bahakathan dalam ingi kidon shilak tam kidikot ke NCC. Bat uliaro ikurkom trekam jong ke Directorate ke NCC Heshelong hakabaki kadet kiyo agjihikai ke bapaka. Bat dangshan artli ki kenhon jong ke NCC kila syak akan tiu kerdan syaka battalion. Bat karukom ajhihikai ke long ke bapaka bah. Director General ke NCC ulong ba kathong jo ke NCC kelong ban penlong ya ki kadet kum kidong song ki badane ke jingket kle ban ajhi kai ki samla bat ban penslur ki bandrong hakikam sipai bal penlong ru ya ke program Punit Sagar Abhiyan hag ban penkhot ki wa aduat bat ki wa ki badap ki plastik bat ki pensapriang ya ke kubor ki wepat ke jingma na ke jing penan kam ke plastik ke program Sima Darshak da kebalai alam ya ki kadet cigi jaka kaput ke badan marjan bat ki pat kiri bane keren bade kendu sipai ki bayang bane dai kari ulong ba ka National Disaster Management Authority ke jo ajhi kai ki NCC hakabede ba jingwanan shop ki bor kamariang kumta ki kadet ki NCC ki laru bane don bentalang hakaban ajing kersan habadan ke jingwanan shop ki bor kamariang
more than 1 lakh cadets from this region in NCC. And recently we have in border area expansion, we had given vacancies to NCC units here. I am very happy to see that enrollment and participation of all cadets of all NER region in NCC activities. The current state of NCC in Meghalaya is also very nice. We are having enrollment from every place for NCC. Recently, 2 of the companies of NCC have been upgraded to battalions. And we are having enrollment and activities in all of this area. So the standard here in the state as well as the standard of training here has been very nice. And one of the aim of NCC is also to make a situation or make condition for our cadets to join the uniform force and also the training facilities which are available with our uniform force, be it army, be it paramilitary force, be it any other force, we utilize them. So we utilize their facilities and also we make them in what they call it as Sima Darshan. We take the cadets to various border posts. We make them interact with the personnel posted there. The senior officials there come and interact with the cadets and motivate them. Yes, there are 2-3 programs which NCC is doing. One is Punit Sagar Abhiyan. And Punit Sagar Abhiyan NCC, it's slowly turning out to be the world's biggest movement to clean the water bodies of plastic waste. So NCC cadets and also the local population here, wherever they are collecting together in spreading awareness on all the ills of plastic and trying to clean all the water bodies of whatever way they can of plastic. The other issue, initiatives what is being done is the Sima Darshan, in which the cadets are being taken close to the border areas. Also, they interact with the forces which are deployed in the border area. They visit them and they see how are the soldiers there are living. So these are 2 initiatives which is happening. Also, as you are aware, there is a higher power committee which has been established to look at the future, how expansion on the role of NCC should be there. As and when the recommendation of the higher power committee is accepted and directions are given by the government to us, we are accordingly going to act.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.